Hello, this is Dr. Alan Yim. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a borrowed chord to signal a modulation. So let's suppose we're in the key of C and we want to go to a closely related key. Well, what are the steps for doing this? First of all, I'm going to tonicize the starting key just by playing the tonic chord, then the dominant seventh, and then the tonic chord. Then I'm going to use a borrowed chord, and let's say we're going to the key of G, like I said. I'll just choose 3, perhaps like E minor, in the key of C, and then in the key of G, E minor is 6. And now, here's the key. This chord here, I want it to be something that's really not diatonic to the key of C. Well, what would happen if I used 2? 2 would be, of course, in the key of G, A minor. And you could see that that's not going to work because that is 6. In the original key, that would become the pivot chord if we did that. So that would then be, we have to use a chord that's not diatonic here. We don't need to change anything other than the quality of this chord. So what are we going to do? Well, instead of using the minor version of this, let's use the borrowed chord version. So 2 in minor is diminished. And to really make it stand out, we can make it half diminished, like this. So in the key of G, 2 half diminished is A half diminished 7. And in the key of C, that would be a 6 half diminished 7. We know that's not the normal quality in C, so it's going to sound a little bit, it's not going to fit into the original key. We're going to have to add some accidentals to make this chord. And if you think about it, what is this chord? It's A, C, E flat, and G. So we would have to add this E flat to make this chord, rather than the minor. And now we'll just continue on with the chord progression. So 2, 5, 7, 1, but now in the key of G, so it's D7 and G. And there you have it. There's the complete modulation with the borrowed chord indicated by this, or the change of key indicated by this borrowed chord here, this A half diminished 7. It sounds like this. So you can hear it's really a smooth transition still, but when you get to that A half diminished 7, you realize that something is going on. And I'll play it now with the A minor 7th, so which would make that the borrowed chord. Here's A minor. Okay, thanks for watching.